Hi, good morning. This is Kin Bueno from the Diocese of Paranaque. Topic I'm presenting to you is about partaking or quote unquote partakers of the divine nature, quote unquote. So basically, we can know that Christ exists. We can know that the rational integrity of his existence proves that the human will is subject to a divine power, quote unquote. However, the test of knowledge is simply an explication of a sin, or an explication of the probability that the person has committed a moral disorientation, quote unquote. Our orientation with Christ enables us to understand our inseparability with this eternal cognition, or otherwise, the divine nature explicates the possibility that he is the grantor of a particular notion or things of such, quote unquote.